Deep in the muscles.
Interesting.
There's two. There's this one, and then there's this one.
You guys are killing me. I have a problem with old electronics. I just...
Oh, do you?
I have an addiction.
I actually have it in.
How you guys doing? Oh, thank you. You guys making us exercise with these long driveways.
Oh, yeah.
85, 95. That's all it is. Okay, so you get 5 cents back. You're welcome. Hello. You want a bag? Please.
Would you guys take 5 for both of these?
Sure.
50% discount.
Yeah, that's good.
That's what I like. And then just, you know, icing on the cake is give you a 10. I clearly had the money. I'm just a cheapskate.
I still think of that to this day because I did that when I bought Nintendo games years back.
Yeah.
And this guy looked at me like, really? And I'm like, please just.
Yeah.
Don't judge me.
That's okay. I'm just happy to get rid of some stuff.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
You know, it's cooler recorder.
What do you do with the GoPro? Like, do you go on nature trails or?
I go, so a lot of different things. We do nature trails on our Segways, but I also,
really?
yeah, and that's pretty fun. And then I also film going to garage sales, finding stuff. Yeah, yeah, like American Pickers, right?
Yeah.
You gotta go. Yeah, I mean, they're so simple. You just turn them on and you walk.
Yep.
And then everything's good. Bouncy balls. How much are bouncy balls? 10 cents? My kids would.
Balls are a good time.
Yeah. Try to get your 5 bouncy balls. Ooh, shoes with toes.
Yeah, isn't that great? They're actually really comfortable.
$1. I mean, I'll try them. Are they women's? Those are men's, yeah?
Those are men's.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess I'll try them either way.
I think. Yeah.
What do you got here?
Yeah, they're actually really comfortable.
Free.
I can feel, yeah, I can feel your toes and everything.
Let me see if there's anything else I want here.
Oh, yeah. Another one.
So,
Oh, you got
$1.50.
Okay,
Right.
sounds good.
Put the
Put all the balls in the shoe.
in the shoe.
You got your own bag going
Yeah.
on there.
Yeah. Let's see if I got 2 singles. I do. There
Alrighty.
you go.
There you go.
Cool. Thank you guys.
Good day.
Yeah.
A lot of garage sales today, I think.
Oh, it's insane.
Yeah.
I had a list of 27. This is number 6 because everyone I go to is a community sale.
Oh,
So
right.
I keep thinking it's just going to be 1 and it's a ton.
So it's only $2. Yep. Thank you. Well, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not going to be able to hit them all. Usually around 10 I go pick up my kids.
Oh, yeah.
They come with me to the rest of them.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, but
How
in
old are
the
your kids?
they're did he buy that recorder? Oh, he did.
He did.
I was looking at that. I was like, where'd the recorder go?
Oh,
That's
that's so
all right.
funny.
A fife, 25 cents. My kids are 12, and I should answer quicker. 6 and 10. 12 and 6 and 10. But they're all aging up in the next 30 days.
Oh,
So, yeah, yeah.
They would still be into garage sale.
Yeah, they love it.
Yeah.
They love it,
Well,
yeah.
if you're a kid, you can get some pretty good stuff.
Yeah.
The kids have the most fun, I think.
Yeah, they...
Get some
Well, and my 6-year-old, I mean, she'd already have 6 free things from you. I promise. Like, you can't...
Yeah, I do watch the free
People can't say no to her, and she'll just be like, "How much is this?" Like, $2. Well, I have a quarter.
Oh!
Okay, a quarter's fine.
Does she want to work for my company?
She can negotiate for you.
Yeah, you could
I
use
need her
some
on my
downsizing
team.
in the prices.
All right, I should leave. I just keep seeing things I kind of want.
Bag?
As long as I don't buy anything else, I'm okay.
No, I got a lot of bags.
Okay, I'll take a bag because I want to buy this Buick guide.
How big a bag do you need?
It's like a Target bag would do me.
A Target bag.
There's $1 for
I have
that.
a Walmart bag.
Oh, fine.
That'll work for you?
Yeah,
What did you
that's.
end up buying?
I'm buying this book, this Oldsmobile repair
Oh, are
manual.
you?
Yeah, yeah.
We had, that was my, you should see what's in the garage.
Really,
Speaking of old, we got a 1973 Olds 442.
really.
Dave said,
Wow.
keep the garage door closed. Just pass the gold light.
Don't let
It's a
people in
fun
my
time.
garage. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. You know.
Army man.
Can you hang this up?
Okay, I gotta go. I got a million sales.
Well, see you later, maybe. Take
Thank
care.
you. Yeah, good luck.
Sure.
How are you? You know, I feel like everyone has these pictures. Every sale I go to, they have the gold framed pictures for sale. I guess maybe they went out of fashion.
Probably.
Yeah. Mole trap.
Mole trap.
You had a lot of traffic today.
Quite a bit, yeah.
Good. Is this a neighborhood sale or just you?
I think there's 8 or 9.
Okay. Man, it got nice out, huh? The weather is nice.
Yeah, let's get some sun here.
Yeah. Do these chirp? They
I
used to
don't
chirp?
think they do.
Got some vicious dogs in the neighborhood, huh?
Yeah, they're barkers.
All right, I want to get these 3. Let's see if I have $1. You got a quarter piece on them?
There's a 4.
Thank you, ma'am. Good luck with your sale. Big bruiser. Oh, that's cool. How you doing?
Hi, good.
How much is your camera?
Let me. Camera. This is what.
What did he say?
I don't know.
Oh, gotcha.
Someone else's song.
Gotcha.
Deanna's? Yeah. Yeah. Isn't it
Oh,
10?
the Nikon Janice?
Yeah, it's Deanna.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's 10.
10.
What are you doing with that? Oh, you don't think you and I both can carry
Let's see.
it? It's empty. You want to take it out the front? Well,
that door closed well?
Yeah.
What is
Oh,
this?
no.
Bluetooth
Isn't he just have the sweetest smile?
donuts.
Oh, we see you. I was talking about Zeke having the sweetest smile.
Gem tins. What is that? What is this thing? Gem tins. Is that a
That's
medical
Tim's
thing?
machine?
Okay.
You familiar with those?
Is it like where you like makes you strong? Cause like makes your muscles react?
It's not make you strong. It's like if you have really tense muscles,
Oh.
it relaxes it. It gets deep in the muscles.
Interesting.
There's two. There's this one, and then there's this one.
You guys are killing me. I have a problem with old electronics. I just
Oh, do you?
I have an addiction.
I actually have it and use it. It does work. Because I
Oh,
have
God.
that, what is it called, Saya? In my muscle.
These
That
are-
actually did work now.
Yeah, I did this to Lenny once.
I got the smaller one and actually. Good morning.
Good morning. And I did.
Great day for this.
Isn't it though?
It's beautiful.
Last time I was gonna have it, it rained. So we were prepared.
What, this is like a backup cam?
No, I think that goes on your car.
Like a dash cam.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Interesting. They
I'm
have,
gonna
like,
put
the
you in the
plug?
house.
USB. Okay.
Can he go in there now? If you have him out. The boys on the couch. Yeah. He'll leave him alone.
I know, but
You can put him in a kennel.
you don't like being in the kennel?
No. No, that's fine. We'll just make
Just
him be
for
quiet.
show, huh?
No,
The boys can play.
So would you guys do a deal on all this?
the electronic stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Including the gym
I
tents.
can this. This as well.
There's another camera somewhere right here.
Okay.
Yeah, so I can do separate bundles.
So what
I
about
think these are the
8?
chargers, right?
8. How about 8 for? Not for all of that. No. 8 for this and 8 for that.
8 for the 2 cameras, you mean?
Yeah.
And then 8 for that,
Yeah.
so 16?
Yeah.
Is this yours too?
Yes.
How much for that?
3,
17, 18, 19?
16, 19.
Okay, and then this is
And
probably
these
yours? or-
these go with the camera, so
Yeah.
I'm not charging you for those.
Are these yours too?
This is,
So that brings us to 20.
Those three.
and those are hers.
And those are,
It's only quarter anyway.
yeah. Okay, so 20 to you, $1 to you. I'll just give you $1. And then 10 bucks for that camera is fine with me. Okay, 20 for her,
Oh, I need to
$1 for you.
open this up to see- Dad, did you open this
And
up
then-
to make sure there wasn't a disc in
This
it?
is your Nikon?
know if he-
Her Nikon?
Well, we're putting it
one?
together anyway.
Okay.
That's what we're
Gotcha.
keeping track. If you
Gotcha.
wanna write
And
it
here's the
down
20.
I
For
did.
Deanna.
Oh, what's Deanna's?
10 the Nikon,
The-
and then,
10 for Deanna.
and then 20 for her.
20 for you.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you. Let me get a
let me
bag
get him
for
a
you.
bag.
Oh yeah, that'd be perfect.
Or a
Thank you.
box, which one you prefer?
Either one. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me to those sales. The first one on there was pretty late in the morning, and so the finds were kind of meh. But the other one, I thought I found some really cool stuff. So the first one I got some shotgun ammo. You can't sell it on eBay. You can't sell it on Facebook. You can't sell it anywhere. But I sold it anyways on Craigslist. I paid $5 for the 2 things of ammo. Sold them for $15 on Craigslist. So I sold them the same day I listed them. Not a ton of money, but it's just easy money because they sell quick. Ammo sells quick. Then I got a manual for how to fix an Oldsmobile. Looks like that sells for $10 on eBay. And then I also got some bouncy balls for the kids. I was looking at the stereo. They had a really cool vintage stereo that I was gonna buy. I walked away and then I forgot to buy it, but they did want $35, so they wanted a lot for it. I think my plan had been see what they'll take for the ammo. If they go 50% off, maybe they'll go 50% off on the stereo and I can get it for like 15, 20 bucks. But then I just kind of forgot to negotiate it and I never bought it, which I don't even know if it's worth a lot. I just like buying old stereo stuff, as you can tell from there and up there. I have a bit of a problem with buying that sort of thing. I usually list it. Sometimes I keep it, but usually I list it. I got these little bird plushes. I've bought them before. They're supposed to make little chirping sounds. And if you can find them, they can sell for like $10 a piece. They didn't make the chirping sounds, but I bought them all anyways, figuring, hey, I'll list them for $15 for the 3, which I did do. They're like Autobahn birds or something. So I did list them for $15 for the 3. They'll probably sell. They're better if they make the little chirpy noises, though. So you can look out for those. Just make sure, you know, that you get a good deal. I got 2 VHS adapters for like the mini, not this small, not mini DV, but it's like a little bit bigger than that, to a VHS. people buy those because they find like old media and they want to, you know, want to view it, so they have to put it into a adapter and watch it that way. Those list for like $30 a piece, and I got 2 of those, so that's $60. I got some VHS-Cs, which are the tapes for it. Those are pretty good. Those can sell for decent money. Not a lot, like, you know, $5 to $10, depending on which one it is. And then I bought a bunch of old electronics. Some good, some bad. I bought this, like a muscle tightener thingy, like a Sensei machine. And it's supposed to, like, tighten the muscle. Yeah, anyway, she talks about it in the video. But on it, it says you're not allowed to sell it unless you're a doctor. And I know I've watched some people who got, like, sued from medical companies for selling medical equipment on eBay, so I'm kind of scared to list it. And it doesn't look like it sells for much, like $10. So it might not be worth the risk. You guys let me know if you can actually sell that sort of medical stuff, but I don't even think that's really medical. I thought there was like an infomercial for that sort of thing at some point. I know I bought a bunch of cameras. They were a bit of a mixed bag. Like, I think a couple of them were worth, like that big Nikon I got was worth like 50 or 60. And then one of the the little digital ones was worth like 30, and one was worth like 10. So I listed all those. I mean, they were worth over $100 for those cameras, I'm pretty sure. And that little dash cam. That little dash cam was like 15 to 20. So I think combined, there was about $100 for all that. And then I got a little, what did I get? iPod Shuffle? Yeah, iPod Shuffle. It's right over here. So I was going to sell that. Looks like it sells for 20 to 30. But my daughter wanted it, so she bought it for what I paid for it for me. Like $1 or $2, whatever it was. So yeah. Pretty cool stuff. I love old electronics. You know, they're not all winners, but I just like buying them. They bring back memories and stuff. So, yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Gonna make some good profit. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Go over to the NFC Flipper channel to see, you know, what everything sells for. Make sure you subscribe over there, too. And we'll see you next time.